Yeah, so we're doing our 10th annual Future Chef competition, and so students across the district submitted recipes, and then we selected one recipe or one student per school in the district. And then today, what they're going to do is they're going to compete their recipe against one of each of the other students across the district. And then that will then move on to a regional and a national competition as well, from Owasso on to a national Future Chef competition. So that today the kids are cooking their recipe, then they're going to go present the recipe to the judges. They'll talk about it, the judge will taste it, it'll get scored, and then we'll tabulate the scores and then have a first, second, and kind of a bronze winner for all the students. The goal is to get kids in the kitchen. We've lost the ability to cook, and so the Future Chef was kind of developed in a way to get kids engaged in how to produce food and how to make meals for themselves. And so today, all the kids are going to leave with cooking utensils and mixing bowls and all that, and they'll also get a recipe book from today of all the other students' recipes. The goal is just to get kids learning how to cook and enjoying cooking. It's just a lost art, and so our goal is, one, to teach them how to cook, but then there's also just that side of healthy cooking and the wellness side of it, that if we can produce food with whole ingredients, and that's what a lot of these recipes are formed out of, then it gets them having that nutritious meal at home and understanding how that can better their day and their health and wellness.